So here's that a fixed driver cannot load on this device, ene.sys. First, you want to open the settings by right-clicking on Windows Start button and then go to Settings. In here, you want to go to Windows Updates and make sure you download and install any pending updates you find in here, especially if they are related to Windows Defender or Microsoft Defender antivirus. Then you want to go to the settings again and then search for core isolation in here. Then go to core isolation. And then in this window, you want to disable the memory integrity. So you can turn it off like that. And this should also require a system restart to function properly. Now you can try to run again your application software that is using the ene.sys driver. So for example, if you have MSI MyStick Lite or Asus Aura or AS Rock Polychrome and stuff like that, or apps like that, you want to make sure to always install the latest version. You can also try uninstalling them and go to the official manufacturer website and download the latest versions from there. And that should generally solve the problem and the error as well. So otherwise, if you still have the issue, what you can do is navigate to the File Explorer, and then you want to go to the System32, the C driver Windows is installed, and then want to go to Windows and then System32. So this folder right here, and then search for drivers folder, this one. And in here you want to search for the driver ene.sys. So if you find it in here, what you can do is click on it and then click F2 to rename it while selecting the file. You can also come to the end of the file and then add .back like that, and then press enter to rename the ene. For example, it would look like this. You should rename it like that. And then you want to press enter to rename it. For example, I don't want to rename this one. Now you can close this folder, and you can also try to uninstall the app that you're no longer using. For example, the RGB software from manufacturers use that driver a lot. So you can go to the installed apps and then uninstall any app like that that you no longer use or you no longer need. And it should also remove this problem for you. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.